In this video we'll talk about dependencies between different systemd units. Different statements can be used in the unit section to define unit file dependencies. There is before, which means that this unit starts before the specified unit. And after, which obviously means that this unit starts when the specified unit is started. There is requires, which means that when this unit starts, the unit listed here is also started. And if the specified unit fails, this one also fails. And there is wanted. When this unit starts, the unit listed here is also started. Now, even if you can manage dependencies in units, you should consider using targets for more consistent dependency management. It's easier to have an overview of everything that is going on. But for now, let's create some dependencies. Okay, let me start by using dnf install httpd vsftpd. And systemctl status httpd. As you can see, loaded, disabled, inactive. That's exactly what we need. Loaded means that systemd knows which unit file to use, and that is about it. For the rest of it, this unit currently is doing nothing. Same case for vsftpd. Now I'm going to use systemctl edit httpd.service, and I'm going to edit the unit configuration. Requires is vsftpd.service. And I'm using systemctl start. Now, before doing that, let me use psaux pipe grep ftp, just so we agree that there is no vsftpd service running at this moment. And now I can use systemctl start httpd. This is a systemctl start. Systemctl start doesn't make it persistent. That would need systemctl enabled. But I don't need it to be persistent at this moment. What I need is httpd to be starting. And what we also need is to see that suddenly vsftpd is running as well. And that's what you obtain by using requires. Now, as I was mentioning, requires isn't very clear to analyze dependency relations. So it's probably much better to make sure that vsftpd as well as httpd are just in the same target, and there is a wanted by section. Wanted by is not as strong as requires, but by putting them in the same target, you make it easier to see the logical relation between the two of them.